Hi there and welcome back to our theme park, which now has a roller coaster with 4 inversions in it. It also has levitating guests, apparently. Let's crack on, let's head straight in, let's start editing our roller coaster, let's start adding our 5th inversion. Let me know down in the comments section below if you've ridden a roller coaster before that has 5 inversions or more. Let us know which coaster it is as well. So as you can see here, we've had it in a Jojo roll, which is rotating to the left. I'm hoping this should be fairly simple. Here we go. Look at that nice little slow roll straight out of the station. Should be a fairly simple, straightforward edit to our roller coaster. Swing around to the right hand side and into the upwards lift hill. Now, as our roller coaster is a block sectioned roller coaster, we're just going to check and make sure that the trains are going around the track correctly. And annoyingly, they're not. As you may have just seen there, one of the trains did get stuck at the top of the lift hill. That is due to the fact that it will not go down the lift hill because the section of track in front of it is not clear, so it will wait for the train in front to go through the block section. So let's see if we can just move that block section back ever so slightly so the train goes through before the following train gets to the top of the lift hill. That should hopefully make the coaster run a little bit more smoothly. Yeah, let's connect that back up, straight back through the loop, and then let's just smooth that out as well. Let's try that again, shall we? Okay, so it is still stopping at the top of the lift hill, so let's see if we can just slow down the start of our roller coaster slightly. So it just takes a little bit longer for the train to hit the lift hill. Hopefully that will fix the problem we are having as well. Through the block section, there we go. The train is not stopping at the top of the lift hill now. The trains are going a little bit slow through the loop, so let's just shrink that down ever so slightly. There we go. The pacing on that is much better, and through the janky Cobra roll it goes as well. I personally would be scared out of my mind if that thing was heading towards me. One of the things I do like on Planet Coaster 2 is how nice the trains look as well. But yeah, let's head on straight through the Jojo roll. Yes, love that. Enjoy the POV. Oh, okay. Oh dear. That's not great. Oh, another one. Okay. That might be an issue. That may cause some neck injuries. We'll fix that in the next episode. And there we go. We hope you enjoyed that POV. What a nice little look from the station as well. I know that you can see the roll straight out of the station, but we put some bins down in our last episode, and it appears that just like in real life, people are too lazy to put them in the bins and they're just dropping them all over the floor, which is very, very frustrating. Although it does look like they have used this one bin. Let's hire ourselves a janitor. Let's get the park looking a little bit cleaner, shall we? But yeah, that'll do for this episode, guys. If you have enjoyed, please do like and comment and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in episode 6.